What's the best thing you have ever done? A few weeks ago, while I was traveling home from the office on a local bus, I noticed an old woman, possibly in her mid-50s, dressed in an old sari, looking more like a maid or a homeless person. She was accompanied by a small child who was sound asleep. The child seemed to be about 2 years old, had a fair complexion, and was dressed in a manner that indicated he came from a wealthy family, which contrasted with the appearance of the woman with him. Initially, I tried to ignore it, but then, gathering my courage, I asked her in a firm voice, "Is this child yours?" She gave me a confused look and replied, "No, he's my daughter's child." I asked her where her daughter was, and she gestured toward a back seat that I couldn't see because the bus was crowded. After a brief silence, without her noticing, I pinched the child to see if he was really asleep or had been sedated. To my surprise, the child didn't react at all, even after several pinches. Convinced that the woman had kidnapped the child, I informed the bus driver and conductor. The driver smartly stopped the bus midway and questioned the woman about the child and his mother. She became nervous and attempted to escape, but was unsuccessful. We then called the police, who arrested her and began an investigation. After some days of persistence and visits to the police station, the officers located the child's real family in Gurgaon.